As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. This is the weekly video where I kind of give you a behind-the-scenes look as to what I'm up to in the Thompson School District. Well, this week is a very weird week. It's an in-service day, which means the teachers are not in their classroom. They're not with their kids. As a parent of a kid in the district, I was aware of that, and I'm glad that they have the chance for professional development. It makes my day very interesting, though, because rather than working my schedule so that I get to see everybody, I get to do what I call a dump and run, which is deliver stuff to the offices. I still want to go out on the road this week. I don't want to just take a week off, because that's not happening this time of year. But I have stuff that needs to be delivered. We've got kids that need this gear and teachers that need this stuff. So I've already allocated the day, so I'm out here doing it. So the downside is I don't get to see the teachers. The upside is I get to do it kind of in a different, faster format, which works out really well. So I'll be in contact with everybody to follow up, make sure they got their stuff, and to see if they need anything else. Also, repairs. We are slowly but slowly and surely catching up with those. The backlog isn't quite as bad as it was, and we're slogging through that. So thank you all again for your patience as we navigate that. It's been a trying time with just volume of repairs. Thank you. That's because of all of you supporting us. Getting in parts and materials, that's been a challenge, and then obviously illness. But the backlog is getting smaller and smaller. We're getting instruments out there and in the hands of kids. So again, thank you so much for all your support with that. There's a tryout night coming up. I believe this video is going to publish on Wednesday, so that would be tonight, which is at Garfield Elementary School. And Garfield's very, very cool because it's one of the few schools, it's also one that Tim goes to, that actually has a 5th grade band. And so I'm excited to do the tryout there and get those kids going. I know that the retention rate from the 5th grade up into the middle school has been tremendous. So it's a great program, and thank you, Mr. Wheat, for doing that, for allowing the opportunity to participate in that. And then supply chain update, instruments. We've had a bunch of stuff on order for a while, and some of it come in. 70 full-size violins just arrived. We also got some more string instruments fill in as well, and those are being run through the shop and set up. And then I know we've got some trumpets and trombones arriving this week as well, and a bunch of those are spoken for. So we're getting stuff in as quick as we can to fulfill the orders and the wait list. And again, thank you all for your patience. The cause of this problem is that music has been so popular and that people are really wanting to participate in it. So that's a happy problem to have, but a problem nonetheless, and one that we are solving. So that is your view from the road. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, check out some of the other videos in the channel, and we'll catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.